Hi, my name is Stephen Shear, and this is a quick how-to on in behavior. In behavior is written as x goes to a number, and then as y goes to the corresponding number to that number on the graph. Alright, I have 3 examples laid out, and then 1 wrong example at the end. With my first example, I already have points plotted, and I have them laid out in interval notation by domain and range. For domain, which is x, range is y. It goes from lowest to highest number. And with this, the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. That means negative infinity going that way on the x-axis, negative infinity, negative x, going to a positive infinity over here. This x-axis keeps going and going. Now, with the range, I have negative 6, which is down here on the y-axis. Then I have infinity, which is up here. So the y-axis is always going up through this point, so the infinity. Now, to write this in behavior, as you do, as x goes to negative infinity, the y goes to the positive infinity, because this x, as this infinity goes, and they go in the same point, same direction. Now with this lower one, for this infinity, or for the second infinity, it goes as x goes to the infinity, y goes to 4, because this infinity sprouts off of the 4 on the y-intercept, y-axis, and it stays on that 4. So it goes from 4 to infinity. So we plot it as infinity comma 4. That's why as x goes to infinity, y equals 4, x, y. With my second example, I already have plotted points. It's from negative infinity to 8 and negative infinity to 6. Right? We have the same thing going as this going. Because this negative infinity is going all the way back, because it's not stopping. Same with this, all the way down. And we have the 8 right up here. And then with this one, we have the negative infinity going down this, and 6 where these two are. And I have a parenthesis here instead of a bracket because since we have the circle there and not a dot, we are not sure about it. Now you write this in behavior as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity, because they're both negative, they're both going in negative directions. And for the second one, we have as x goes to 8, which is all the way over here, 8, y goes to 5. So it matches up. So you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it over, and you're at the 8. Now, with the third example, we have non-continuing line that ends in infinity. So we have the smallest, most negative x is infinity, so we do that. Then we have a 10, which is all the way up here. It's the highest x on this graph, positive wise. Now for the range, we have 3, which is all the way right here. So a little 3 right here. My bad, not right there, right here. And then we have another infinity, because this infinity is going up on the y-axis and negative on the x-axis. Now we use in behavior on this as x goes to negative infinity, this line, the y goes to positive infinity. Because you do negative infinity over here, positive infinity over here, matches up. Now you also do as x goes to 10, which is the point up here, y goes to 10, because they both go to 10. Alright, now this is the fourth example, and this is the wrong one. So many people will do this. I've done it myself before. Is where I once thought that you have the negative 4 and the negative 6 and the positive 6 right here, and the negative 8 and the positive 1. So I thought you do as x goes to negative 4, the y goes to negative 1, thinking that you do both x's. But I was wrong. To fix this, you do negative 4 as x goes to negative 4, y goes to, you got x negative 4 right here, and then it goes all the way down to the point. You go over, that's negative 5. So it'd be as x goes to negative 4, y goes to negative 5. And with this one, as a wrong thing I did as x goes to 6, y goes to 1. Using this 6 and this 1, thinking that I use 6 go here and 1 goes here. Also, negative 4 goes here, negative 8 goes here. Completely wrong. I'll get you points off your test, and that may or may not keep you from failing. Another way to fix this one is you have 6, you find that on your graph, which is right here. You line it up with a point on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, negative 3 to 6. So it'd be as x goes to 6, y goes to negative 3. Now that is a quick how-to on in behavior and how to fix it if you mess up. Have a nice day.